The Israeli Air Force announced on Sunday that it has received new intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance aircraft, called the Oron. The announcement detailed that the 122nd Nachson Squadron received its new aircraft, the Oron, which will grant the IAF unprecedented intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities. The advanced aircraft was formally introduced in a ceremony led by the commander of the IAF, Maj. General Amikam Norkin. The 122nd Nachshon Squadron, known as the IAF's ISR, Intelligence, Surveillance, and Reconnaissance Squadron, operates two Nachshon aircraft models Shavit, Gulfstream G500, and Eitam, Gulfstream G550. Today, the squadron received the newest member of the Nachshon family, the Oron. The Oron is yet another manifestation of the IAF's increasing effectiveness, says IAF Commander, Maj. General Amikam Norkin. The aircraft adds another layer to the IAF's current operational and strategic capabilities, which allow for continued air superiority in the Middle East and an ability to defend Israel's skies and ensure its security. The aircraft combines several capabilities including aerial imaging, control and radar, and maritime intelligence gathering for the Navy, explains Maj. Deputy Commander of the 122nd Squadron. The majority of these capabilities already exist in our squadron and the Ma'av Rahav unit. However, with the new aircraft, we managed to condense them all onto a single flight platform. Though the Oron looks similar to the Eitam, its systems are more advanced and allow for a wider range of missions. The big improvement is in its overall capabilities and diversity of the tasks it can perform, says Maj. The aircraft combines the capabilities of the Eitam and the Shavit reconnaissance aircraft from the fighter division, and advanced air-to-surface radar. The plane is not only significant to the squadron and the IAF, but is an important asset to the entire IDF. It will conduct ISR missions for the Navy using unique systems, all in cooperation with the IDF Intelligence Directorate and the Ma'av Rahav unit. This is a plane that accommodates all three branches of the Israeli military. As stated by Maj. The Oron can stay airborne for extended periods, fly further than other reconnaissance aircraft, and hold a larger crew on board. The plane is also capable of carrying intelligence personnel who analyze data in real time. This enables the crew to be independent and return from a mission with a fully complete result. The aircraft's procurement process began several years ago at the IAF's headquarters. In recent years, the American aircraft company Gulfstream Aerospace manufactured the aircraft in the U.S. and conducted comprehensive test flights to ensure its flight readiness. A crew from our squadron flew to the U.S. to pilot the aircraft and ensure it met our requirements before it landed in Israel, shares Maj. Over the next 2 years, the plane will undergo a mission systems installation process, and then arrive at the squadron as an operational aircraft. Given that the aircraft can perform a wide range of operational missions, sometimes in a single sortie, the selection of personnel for each flight is an important task. We'll need to choose the right personnel to perform several missions during a flight, explains Maj. It's a great honor for all our squadron personnel to take part in this process. Whether it's discussions, think tanks, test flights, or organizational development, we each played a role in this piece of history. This is an historic process for the squadron and the IDF as a whole. We thank everyone who took part and contributed to this project. We can't wait to fly the aircraft regularly in operational flights.